Hi friends, this is Kiran Krishnamurthy from Vasavi Automobiles, Hosur. Here we are. This is India's first 5-star rating tire from Goodyear Maxgaurd SUV. Why we sell this tires to the customer? There is three unique points. This Goodyear tire, they are using polyamide fibers in the manufacture of the tires, which is a very special fiber used in the manufacture of bulletproof jackets for defense people. And at the same time, all these Goodyear tires are EV ready. We can use it very easily for EV vehicles so that the range of the vehicle is not reduced. And at the same time, the rolling resistance of the tires are very less. And at the same time, we have more silica component in the tire, which enables very smoother drive and more mileage and fuel efficient. These are the reasons why we sell Goodyear tires to our consumer. And moreover, one of the key important points in our Indian market is it's a very premium tire at an affordable price. So it's a mass tire, it's not a class tire, suitable for every consumer. And thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share the details. Thank you very much.